Okay, so this is Majesty of the Seas. Royal Caribbean's Majesty of the Seas, stateroom 9004. So let's see. First you come in, there's your magnet. So you let them know if you want your room cleaned or you just want to stay a mess. But anyway, so let's turn some lights on. Okay. So first, when you come in, of course, you see the window. And here is the bathroom right to the left. And I can say that this bathroom, it's small, but typical of a Royal Caribbean bathroom. And remember, this is a small ship, so it's not going to be that big anyway. But here's the shower. And I can say that I feel like the shower is a little bit bigger because of it's not a circle, it's more of a rectangular or maybe a square. So it gives you a little bit more room. And let's see, there's towels. Now they don't have shelving like they do on the other ships. They usually will have them up here, so typical, but it's perfect. And let's see, then there they have a sofa and a glass table, your king size bed that converts into a twin, and they have the mirror that goes from one end of the cabin to the other, so that's pretty nice. And they also have a mirror in right here, so on the back of the door, which is good because you want to see what you look like before you go out, right? So, and here's the closet with the safe, pretty typical. There's your phone. It's for your air and heat. And there is the TV. Oh, and they also have a fridge, which there's my water, because I'm high up in the Royal Caribbean Crown and Anchor, so they give me free waters and cookies, a robe. And there's a lot of storage in here, which is not typical, so that's nice. Have it over here as well. Oops, sorry. Let's see. Then you of course have your lamp on this side and the bedside table on that side and also on that side. It's pretty spacious. This is the ocean view spacious stateroom. And then here is the grand finale. So right now we are in Key West, Florida, and look at it, it's absolutely beautiful. And this room is actually considered a obstructed view by 50%, but as you can tell, my view is absolutely perfect. The lifeboats start on the next cabin over and they run all the way to the end of the ship, on the aft ship. I am in 9004, which is way forward, and so there are two other rooms next to me going that way, and they too would not have an obstructed view. This is why I chose this room. So anyway, thanks for watching. Give you one more. Perfect. Happy cruising, people.